Amid mounting troubles for Twitter, the social media giant's India MD Manish Maheshwari has been named in an FIR in Uttar Pradesh over an incorrect map of India which showed Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as a separate country. This is the second time Twitter has misrepresented India's map. Earlier, it had shown Leh as part of China. Reports said that the microblogging site had removed the map after it was criticized and the government took note of it. The case has been filed under Section 5052 of the Indian Penal Code, which is creating or promoting enmity, hatred, or ill will between classes, and Section 74 of the IT Amendment Act 2008. Maheshwari was summoned by the Uttar Pradesh police last week over another FIR after a video which went viral linked to the assault of a Muslim man in UP's Ghaziabad sparked controversy. The National Investigation Agency has taken over the probe into Sunday's Jammu airport attack triggered by drones in which 2 people were injured. Early on Sunday, 2 bombs were dropped at the IAF base, injuring 2 Indian Air Force personnel. The explosion took place at around 1:40 am within 6 minutes of each other. The first blast ripped through the roof of a single-story building at the high-security technical area of the airport, manned by the IAF in Satwari area on the outskirts of the city. The second one was on the ground, officials said. 3 suspected drones were spotted again at 3 different locations in Jammu on the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday. This comes a day after an attempted to target military installation in the region with the aerial object was thwarted by the alert soldiers. According to officials, the first drone was spotted in Kaluchak cantonment area, second in Ratnuchak cantonment area, and third in Kunjwani area between 1:30 and 4 am. The preliminary probe is already underway into the attack by 2 unmanned aerial vehicles on the nearby IAF stations. The investigation has indicated at a possible use of a cocktail of chemicals, including RDX, in the first of its kind terror strike in the country. India's daily coronavirus cases have dropped below 40,000 for the first time in the past 3 months as the country registers only 37,500 COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. With the fresh spike in the daily COVID-19 cases, the coronavirus caseload in India has climbed to more than 3,316,897. India also saw more than 56,000 recoveries in the past 24 hours, pushing the total recovery rate in the country to 96.87%, the Union Health Ministry said. India also saw 907 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll in the country to more than 3,97,000. The top 5 states that have registered maximum COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours are Kerala, followed by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and Assam. Mixing doses of COVID-19 vaccines from Pfizer and AstraZeneca creates a strong immune response, according to results from a University of Oxford study, a finding that could enable greater flexibility in the use of scarce supplies. A mixed schedule of the Pfizer shot followed by the AstraZeneca vaccine and vice versa resulted in high concentration of antibodies against COVID-19 when given 4 weeks apart, researchers reported Monday in the Lancet Medical Journal. Doctors and public health officials have been analyzing various ways to extend vaccine supplies by delaying the time between first and second doses. For example, as many low and middle income nations try to figure out how to cope with vaccine scarcity. The ability to mix doses might help countries with supplies of different vaccines assist one another.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.